Hello everyone, in this video I am going to reveal my upcoming project digitalprocket.com. It's a digital marketing platform and I am currently working on it. So we have the basic structure of the platform and I will show you how the platform works. It's actually 100% free to use platform. So you can go to digitalprocket.com and use any tools you want. So let's look into the platform. This is digitalprocket.com. Currently we have about 9 active tools that help you to work with digital marketing and SEO. I will show you some of our tools. This keyword research tool helps you to find good keywords for SEO and advertising purposes. You can find monthly searches and CPC of any keywords. Another one is Question Explorer. You can find what people searching on the internet by entering the keyword. Here is our speech to text tool. So I designed this to help bloggers write their blog post faster. And we have some utility tools like IP lookup and fancy text generator. Also I created a hashtag generator tool. So you can generate hashtag for your post by entering a tag. And I am working on improving these tools and adding new tools day by day. The digitalprocket.com still in beta version. We are developing and testing the platform these days. And please let me know your suggestions so I can make the tools more useful for you. If you like this video, please make sure to like this video, and if you want more videos like this, please make sure to subscribe to this channel